We're out here vlogging with the peoples them today. Got all the family out, the whole extended family, according to my dad yesterday. Yeah, that's what we got. That's it. Yeah, my dad came around yesterday and visited all the family. He hasn't been around for a while, you know. So everyone got to meet him. But yeah, so the reason why I made this video today is because I'm doing a challenge on the channel. So what I want to do, it's not a challenge like, you know, to do some type of prank or something like that. You guys already know I'm not about that life there. But what I am going to be doing on the channel, look at all this mud, by the way. This is what I've got with white trainers, you know. I'm a smart dude like that. But we've been searching for a pond all day and this is what we're trying to find. But I think we will find it. It says over there that we've just made it. We've been walking for about 2 miles. In these white trainers. My partner's got like high heels on, so I don't know what we was thinking when we actually set out to do this journey, but you know.
Excuse me, where's the pond?
Oh, wicked, cheers.
Oh, thank you
Ah, brilliant, thank you. That's it, we've been walking for ages. All right, so what I'm getting back to is the main thing that I set out to do for this video was I'm going to be doing a challenge. Now, according to scientific research, which we all know isn't always the right answer, but according to that, it takes around 66 days to build a new habit. So for the next 66 days, I'm going to try to instill the best habits that I can have in order to help me achieve my goals even faster. So these habits are going to include a few things that I've got noted down on my phone. Now, the weekly tasks are going to be to do 4-hour work blocks every single day, which I kind of do at the moment, but sometimes I slip out of the routine. So I'm really going to hone in on that and focus down and make sure that I'm doing these 4 hours per day. And that's going to be on the most important tasks. So for what I do, that's going to be writing content and doing backlinks. And that's going to be my 4 hours work at the beginning of the day. Anything after that is going to be for the less important tasks that I need to do. Now, no social media apart from a 1 hour selected time block in the afternoon. So in between like 5 and 6 o'clock, that's when I'll do that. I'll also do a weekly video to track the progress because nothing is, how you doing? You all right? Yeah, nothing is actually, you know, progression without tracking. So you need to see where and how far you've actually gone in order to, you know, really see where you're at and how far or close you are to your goals. So if you're not tracking, you can't see how far along the journey you are. So that's really important. So I'll be tracking that by doing weekly videos on that. No working on Sundays as well, because what it is, I'm kind of like a workaholic at the moment, and I'm seeing like people like, you know, with big, huge trillion-dollar companies like, or about to be, I'd say Amazon and Jeff Bezos, who doesn't work every single day of the week. So, you know, if I'm building something that's way, way smaller, like how is it that I need to be working non-stop all the time? Now, I just need to use my time better and really hone in on the amount of work that I'm doing when I am working. So that's really important. Now, I'm going to be needing to log my details in Stride every single day as well. So any details of goals that I'm trying to get to, then that will be logged in Stride on a daily basis to record that and track my progress. I'm also going to be only replying to emails inside of a set time block. So that will be in the same time when I do the social media in between 5 and 6 o'clock. I'm going to be reading for 1 hour each day as well, because I need to really, you know, keep up the reading. I've been completely slack with that lately. Oh, my arm's getting tired. I've been really slack with the reading lately, and I just really need to stick to that. Then I've got drinking water and staying healthy. So like eating healthy and drinking a lot of water. Over the last week, on a serious note, I've been drinking so much water. I've been sticking to just water and no juice. Like over this weekend, I've started drinking juice again because some friends are over. I had an alcoholic drink last night and whatever else. But yeah, drinking water has really, really helped me to stay alert and really focus. And you just feel so energetic in the mornings as well. And going to bed on time at 11 o'clock, because if you don't go to bed on time, you can't wake up. So these things are all important. And I'm going to be posting the results every single Friday. And I'm going to stick to the plan and be regimented. So that is the idea. And then it's like, oh my God, my trainers are getting wounded here. But yeah, if you want to join in and you want to do a challenge or whatever, and you want to, you know, do the same things I'll list it all out below the video so you guys can follow it if you want to as well. And yeah, if you're doing the same thing or you're doing something similar, maybe you can come on a channel and we can track and see how far you're going and, you know, how well you're doing and if you stick to it and whatever else. But I challenge all of you who watches this video to try it out and see how it works for you in your business. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.